Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss with you guys how to convert the fractional exponent like this to the radical. And to know this, let's go through the next question together. So for this question, convert the expression 9 to the power 1/2 to radical form, as we did in the first question video. So I recommend you now to pause this video and go to watch the video for question number 1. So as a review, we said that we need to demonstrate or use the plant as a good model for demonstration. So we have the soil, and we have the root, and we have the stem. In math, we call it the same as, so first we call the soil as the fraction sign, okay, the stem, or we call it like numerator, so numerator, and the root, which is we call it like denominator. Okay, so in this case we have the number which is like 9 1/2. We will concentrate on 1/2. 2 in the denominator, and in the denominator, which is like below the fraction sign or below the soil, so we call it as the root. So in this case, we have here is the root, and we have here as root, and we here have as root 2. If there is no number on the root, so automatically it is 2 and 2 and 2. The same with this case, but in this example, this is 2 multiplied by the square root. Okay, we said the square root of 9, so 2. I'm talking about this option. So in all options, yes, the denominator or the under the soil or under the fraction is number 2, and this is true for all of them, A, B, C, and D. Okay, what's about 1? 1 as a stem in the plant, which is above the soil, but here is the numerator, and we call it in this case the exponent. Okay, the basic number, or the 9 here, the 9 is the base. Okay, so the 9 should be under the root. Here is the 9 under the root, and here is the 9 under the root, but here it is not 9 under the root. It is not 9. It's 2/9 and 9/2. So the base is different in B and C, so this is not the right answer. Now the exponent should be 1. So we have here 9, and exactly when we say 9, it is the same as 9 to the power 1. So the exponent in this case is 1 here. The base is right, which is 9, and the root is 2. So I expect D to be right. What's about this one? Here, as you see, the 9 is 9 to the power 1. So the exponent is 1. That's correct. The base is 9. Okay, the root here as 2. That's correct. But the 2 here is not included in the equation. So A is not the right option. So D is the right option in this case. Let us check this answer and see if this is right. This is absolutely right. We can take another example Okay, here is the example. We have it like, as you see, 3, 1 over 2, or 1/2. So here is the root, here is the exponent, and here is the base. So we have the base as 3. We have here the base as 3. So I expect first that B and C, because the base is totally different, to be wrong. Now the root is 2. So we have here root 2. We have here root 2. So now both of them are right. Now the exponent is 1. So we have here as 3 to the power 1. Exponent is 1. And here is 3 to the power 1. The exponent is 1. So now exponent is right. And for the root, it is right. And for the base, which is 3, is right. So everything is here in D. So D is the right answer. But 2 is not included with the question. So A also is not the right answer. I don't need all that. Let us check now the answer, which is 3D. So now here is the right answer. Now thank you guys for watching this video. Hope to keep together, working together to push to make the math more and more easy. See you guys with next videos. Goodbye.